video means new experiment. I know you are at home and I am too. Come we'll listen its name. Its name is changing direction. Come we'll see what things are needed to do it. An empty glass, a glass filled with water, sketch pen and a paper. Come we'll do the experiment. By the help of sketch pen I have drawn two arrows pointing towards your left side and I have written the name arrow number 1 and arrow number 2. So come we'll do the experiment. Now we will put the water into the another glass like this. Now arrow number 1 is pointing towards your left side and arrow number 2 is pointing towards right side. Wow, an interesting idea. Why this happens? This happens because of a scientific concept called refraction. Bend means bending of light. During this experiment, the light traveling from image through the air, then the glass and then finally out of the glass and into air once more before it reached our eyes. As a result, the eye paths cross and the image appears to be flipped in opposite direction. Okay friends, have you understood it? Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for my next experiment updates. Thank you. See you soon guys. Bye.